Why is the watch and wait model outdated? So what do we mean by watch and wait? What happens is when a person goes to the orthopedist with a mild case, the orthopedist will most commonly say, let's give it 6 months. Let's see what happens. Think of the absurdity of this as a treatment plan. You imagine if, God forbid, a person had cancer and they go to the doctor and the doctor says, the cancer's not really that bad. Why don't you come back in 6 months? And if it's worse, then we'll consider treating you. You'd be like, what? I'm getting out of here. I'm going to go find myself another doctor. And yet this is the standard of care for the treatment of mild scoliosis. Wait until it gets worse. Here we're proactive. Here we say no. What you want to do is you want to start the treatment when the curve is as small as possible because it is much easier on the child. It is much easier on the family. It's just a better way of approaching things. Let's say the curve doesn't get worse. Let's say they're one of those rare cases that doesn't get worse. What have you lost? But let's say the curve does get worse, and now you got to get into a much more complex situation with the treatment. You might need to have surgery. You might need to go into full-time bracing, and you could have avoided that. Why wouldn't you? Thanks for watching. I hope you found all this information helpful. Please subscribe if you'd like to have more information about scoliosis, and don't forget to hit the bell. That'll alert you whenever we publish new information. And if you've got any questions, write them in the comments field, and I'm going to make sure to address them in a future video. Thanks for watching.